Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to route your traffic for any application through TOR. We're going to start by editing the proxy chains configuration file to enable dynamic chains and to disable strict chains. And the reason we're doing this is because strict chains follows the list of proxies strictly, so if one of them is dead, it'll keep trying to hit it. But with dynamic chains, it adapts so that if a proxy dies, then we just go on to the next one. And then at the bottom, we're just going to add another entry for SOX5 that runs back to the loopback address on 9050, which is the port that Tor runs on. So now that we have our configuration set up, let's see if we have Tor installed. You can check by running service Tor status. I already have it installed, but if you don't, you can run apt install Tor and get it installed. And once it's installed, then you can start it up by running service Tor start. Alright, now let's check the status with service Tor status, and it's up. So now, let's look at what my current IP address is. It's 199.229.249, blah blah blah. So now we're going to run a program called proxy chains, and we're going to tell Firefox to open up Google, and then we're going to check that IP address again. And now this is running through Tor, so if you see, my IP address is now 77.247. And if you choose that you need a new identity, you can do so just by restarting the Tor service. So you would run the command service Tor restart, and then just launch Firefox again. My IP, and it's different. It's 185.220 now. So you're not just limited to using Firefox or a web browser, and the point of this is that you can use it with any other application. So I'm going to show you how I can use curl with it to access any sort of address. So here's curl just on its own, calling an API that'll return our IP address. It's back to the 199 IP address. So now I'm going to tell proxy chains to run that command. And there's the new IP. And again, if we restart the Tor, we can grab a new identity. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time.